Hello, I just wanted to do a quick demo of what the RTC Classic box will sound like. So here, I don't have the components set in yet. I do have them inside the unit, but I just haven't mounted everything. But this will be the volume up and down. This knob will control the reverb. There are no pedals, just some boards that I kind of designed and set up. They're pretty small. They're about the size of a cracker each. This will be for a 3.5 millimeter jack, so you can connect a phone, tablet, computer, whatever you want to run an app on or whatever. And then in the back there'll be a radio. They'll scan AM and FM, so just have like a regular ghost box. There'll be a battery that will last about 12 hours that will contain, they'll power up the radio along with the box itself. So let me turn that on, and I'll adjust the reverb. I'll turn it all the way up and then all the way down, and then kind of just adjust it to where I kind of like it. But the box sounds pretty amazing for being so small. And but the amp sounds really clear. I'm really happy with the turnout of this. Should have it completed by this weekend, I hope. So I'm going to turn the radio up and see what it sounds like. So I'm going to start adjusting the reverb. I'll turn it all the way down. Now I'll start adjusting it up. I'll turn it all the way up. I'm going all the way back down. There's no reverb at all. That's all the way off. Earlier I was getting a woman asking for help again. So I get my name called quite a bit. Is there anybody here that would like to communicate with us? Yes. Who just said yes? Here. You say Dave? It's a truth. Alright, well, anyway, I just wanted to do a quick demo. I just turned the radio down. So anyway, that's a little quick demo, and not sure how much they will be selling for as of yet. Just wanted to finish it up and then kind of just add up how much everything costs, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so thanks for watching, and if you have any questions after I post this video, feel free to ask. Alright, thank you.